A very warm welcome to my channel, that is Vocab Nation, and this is the part 2 of that video. Okay, so again I'm here with my new words, but this time the system will be changed. Okay, so firstly what we'll do is, firstly I'll discuss 5 words with you, and yeah, I have got a lot of requests that I should actually translate the same words in Hindi as well. So I'm going to use my native language, that is Hindi, so that you could understand the words, because many of us are we think in Hindi and then we translate it in English, although you should not do that. As an English trainer, I would advise you to not do that, because if you start thinking in English, only then you can be fluent in English. Trust me with this. Okay, so now what will I do? Firstly, I'll teach you 5 words. Okay, then after that, at last, in the end of the video, I will give you one sentence that will be in Hindi, and you will have to comment the English of it. Okay, and if you get it correct, then in my next video I'm going to announce your name. Okay, so let us begin with this today's session. Let us start. So the first word today we are going to do is, usually I speak so fastly, so why to use this word so fast? Why do you use the words very fast? Let us have new words for it. So the first word, yeah, this one, PROMPT, prompt. Prompt means something, doing something very fastly, maybe working fastly, maybe singing fastly. So whenever you do something very fastly, you can use promptly rather than using very fast. Next word is, let's say when I discuss about the food I feel I want to have, I crave for it. So the second word we are going to discuss about is this one, that is luscious. Luscious, where do we use it? Have you heard about delicious? You must have. So delicious talks about the word when something is very tasty. Like right now, I know in this lockdown period everybody is becoming the greatest chef ever, and everybody knows how to make the food. They are getting like great skills. So yeah, it is about making the luscious food rather than saying delicious or very tasty or yummy. Okay, so the third word, we must have heard people saying your shirt is very dirty, your clothes are very dirty, or we all have watched that movie. I'm not gonna discuss about that one. So very dirty. For this one we have a new word. We have 2 new words for this, although I have many words for every word, because English is full of synonyms. That is why it is called as the craziest language. Trust me with this. So for very dirty, we can either use this one or this one. So squalid or filthy. Filthy, you can say that this place is very filthy. It means everything is so messy here. Squalid, you can say that my shirt is a bit squalid today. Okay, next we have very boring. Do not go anywhere. I'm gonna discuss it in Hindi, but after some time. Okay, so next word is very boring. For very boring, we can say something like dull, but that is a very primitive word. Okay, we have a new word for it, that is monotonous. It means there is no change in the things. Let's say I have been watching a movie. I hope you must have watched that October movie. When I went to watch that movie, I was so, being an English literature student, I feel that I can find themes in every movie, but I failed. Trust me, I failed over there. When I watched that movie October, I felt like, why did I waste my money here? That movie was monotonous. It started with that and it ended with that. There was no change in the movie. There was nothing in the movie. So next thing is, as we have talked about dirty things, let's talk about clean also. So if something is so clean, we can call, what do you think, tidy, neat? We have new words, people. I'm coming up with new words. Immaculate. 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 If something is so clean, you can call immaculate. Let me give you the same thing in Hindi as well. Prompt का मतलब होता है बहुत जल्दी कर देना किसी चीज़ को, या बहुत जल्दी, बहुत तेज़ी से. नेक्स्ट लशियस. लशियस का मीनिंग होता है स्वादिष्ट. देन वी हैव स्क्वालिड एंड फिल्थी. दोनों का ही मीनिंग होता है गंदा होना किसी चीज़ का. आप किसी की बात के लिए भी बोल सकते हो. Okay, he talks really filthy language. He talks in filthy language. His words are filthy. His way of talking is squalid. You can say that also. Then we have monotonous. Monotonous के 2 मीनिंग्स हैं हमारे हिंदी में. एक तो monotonous जो चीज़ बोरिंग है, डल है. एक वो चीज़ जो चीज़ कभी बदलती ही नहीं है. लेट्स से किसी ने बोलना शुरू किया था एंड वो वही सेम चीज़ बार बार बोले जा रहा है, तो हम उसको भी मोनोटोनस कहते हैं. इट मीन्स मोनोटोन. मोनो वन, टोन सेम टोन. सो एक ही टोन में वो चलता जा रहा है. The last word which I discussed with you was immaculate. Immaculate मतलब बहुत साफ. So now I have discussed, and I promised you that I will give one sentence to end on, and which is चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरो. Oh no, not to you. This is not to you. चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरो का आपको मुझे इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन बताना है. तो ट्रांसलेशन मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में डालिए. जो भी करेक्ट बोलते हैं, आई एम गोना गिव देयर नेम्स इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो फॉर श्योर. And keep supporting me. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and I will come up with my new videos every day. Trust me with this. All the best.